Are you dealing with hair loss? And should you take a DHT blocker? Are you even considering taking Finasteride, which is a medication that lowers DHT in our scalp? Well, there are alternatives to medication, which are natural DHT blockers. I've made a previous video about Finasteride and why I do not take it. Check that out if you want. But it works for a lot of people, and a lot of people have seen their hair loss stop and even some new hair growth. So yeah, if it works for you and you're not experiencing any side effects, go right ahead. But some of us want to go the natural route, including me. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is a hormone derived from testosterone. It plays a role in various bodily functions, including the development of male characteristics such as body hair and a deeper voice when we're in our teens. However, unfortunately, as we get older, it can also contribute to hair loss, especially in genetically predisposed individuals. Pretty much past the age of 18, as men, male pattern baldness can set in. Too much DHT in our scalp causes hair follicles to shrink, which leads to thinner, weaker hair, and eventually inhibits hair growth. Too much DHT in our scalp may also reduce blood flow to hair follicles and shorten the anagen or growth phase of our hair. If we lower DHT too much, side effects can include decreased sex drive, erectile dysfunction, reduced semen volume, anxiety and/or depression, fatigue, and possibly breast tissue development in men. All of these things we obviously do not want. There are a few natural solutions that have proven to be effective in lowering DHT, slowing down hair loss, and even promoting new hair growth. And the reason why I prefer going the natural route is that all of these natural solutions offer a ton of additional benefits. All right, here is the first natural DHT blocker, saw palmetto. How does it work? Saw palmetto inhibits 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, and therefore may reduce DHT levels locally in the scalp, preventing hair follicle miniaturization and promoting hair growth. The efficacy of saw palmetto might be increased by combining it with another supplement that I happen to swear by. It's an antioxidant called astaxanthin. Now, astaxanthin is a powerful antioxidant derived from microalgae. It is known for its wide range of health benefits. And both supplements offer complementary benefits that target hair loss from different angles. Astaxanthin is considered one of the strongest natural antioxidants, which is why I'm taking it every day, neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. Get this, it's up to 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in scavenging free radicals. It protects cells and tissues from oxidative damage and slows aging processes in the skin, eyes, and also internal organs. Now, astaxanthin, while not a direct DHT blocker, has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help hair follicles from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can of course make hair loss a lot worse. In combination with saw palmetto, astaxanthin may enhance the inhibition of 5-alpha reductase, as suggested by a few studies on combined supplementation. Typical daily doses include 320 milligrams of saw palmetto extract and 4 to 12 milligrams of astaxanthin. I take 6 milligrams of astaxanthin every morning. By the way, if you want a free PDF of all the supplements I take, as well as my anti-aging breakfast smoothie recipe, I swear by the smoothie, click on the link in the description box below. The second natural DHT blocker is pumpkin seed oil. Now, I grew up in Austria, Vienna, Austria. There's a part of Austria that makes pumpkin seeds and is really famous for their pumpkin seed oil. And growing up, we used to use this all the time in salads, on top of vegetables, and I quite love the taste. It's a little harder to get in the States, but you know, Amazon sells it or Whole Foods. It's really, really good, and it happens to be amazing in blocking DHT. So it's gained popularity recently for this potential to lower DHT levels in the scalp, thereby helping to combat hair loss. Its effectiveness is primarily attributed to its phytosterol content, which inhibits 5-alpha reductase, which we know is the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. And high levels of DHT, as we know, in the scalp are a leading cause of hair follicle miniaturization, which results in thinning hair and eventually hair loss. By reducing DHT levels, pumpkin seed oil can help create a more favorable environment for hair follicles, potentially slowing or even reversing hair loss in cases of androgenetic alopecia or pattern baldness. In addition to its DHT blocking properties, pumpkin seed oil has potent anti-inflammatory effects that can improve overall scalp health. Now, we know that chronic inflammation in the scalp can damage hair follicles and make hair loss a lot worse. The oil's rich content of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins like zinc and vitamin E soothes the scalp and reduces inflammation, allowing hair follicles to function more effectively. Furthermore, zinc plays a key role in maintaining hormonal balance and promoting healthy hair growth, making pumpkin seed oil an even more comprehensive solution for addressing hair loss. Studies have also demonstrated the efficacy of pumpkin seed oil in promoting hair density and thickness. For example, a clinical trial involving men with androgenetic alopecia found that those who supplemented with 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil daily experienced a 40% increase in hair count over 24 weeks compared to a placebo group. This suggests that pumpkin seed oil not only helps to slow hair loss, but may also encourage regrowth. With its combination of DHT blocking, anti-inflammatory, and nutritional properties, pumpkin seed oil is a natural, multifaceted option for improving scalp health and addressing hair loss. Now, I actually don't supplement with pumpkin seed oil that way. I just put a bunch of pumpkin seeds into my morning smoothie every single day. Again, recipe in the link below. Now, I haven't had a lot of sponsors recently because, I don't want to have sponsors for every video and I don't want to annoy you. But today I want to tell you about a hair growth serum, my own hair growth serum, that I think can make a big difference in the health of your hair. And if you've been looking for a powerful but natural solution to boost your hair growth without taking any drugs or supplements that will affect your entire body, I think this is something that you want to check out. It's my very own Phyto hair growth serum, and it is packed with natural ingredients that will boost hair growth. What makes this one special, better than the other serums out there? One of the ingredients has been deemed as effective as minoxidil in studies. It's made without fragrance, which can irritate our scalp, and it's both for men and women. Plus, it's more affordable than most scalp serums out there, and it has one ingredient that I haven't seen in any other serum, and that is Densidil. Densidil is an innovative hair care ingredient developed by a company called Algactive. And Densidil was designed to combat hair loss and also hair graying, which is a nice bonus, I think. It combines extracts from two microalgae species, spirulina and chlorella. Spirulina provides phycocyanin, a blue pigment that activates the NRF2 pathway, enhancing the hair's antioxidant defenses and protecting against oxidative stress. Chlorella offers xanthophylls, which are pigments that inhibit cortisol levels and boost melatonin activity, countering the harmful effects of stress on hair follicles and promoting cellular repair. And I have not seen any other serums out there which include Densidil. So let's talk about the other ingredients in this serum. First up, we have rosemary oil. It's a true superstar when it comes to boosting circulation to the scalp, which encourages hair growth and prevents thinning. Studies have shown it can be as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, right, Rogaine, in promoting new hair growth, especially in cases of androgenetic alopecia or pattern hair loss. A 2015 randomized comparative trial involving 100 participants with androgenetic alopecia compared the effects of rosemary oil and 2% minoxidil over 6 months. The study found that both groups experienced a significant increase in hair growth, with no substantial difference between the two treatments. Additionally, the rosemary oil group reported fewer instances of scalp itching compared to the minoxidil group. And I actually used to use topical minoxidil, and I just hated the stickiness, and I also hated having to put it on twice a day, so it wasn't for me. And I did develop quite a bit of scalp itching that kind of came and went. But yeah, I stopped using topical minoxidil. The problem with some rosemary oils I've used is that they are super greasy, which I did not like. And this serum is definitely a lot lighter, not greasy at all when you put it on. Next, the Phyto Hair Growth Serum contains ginger. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties not only help with scalp health, but also promote stronger hair from the roots. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol and gingiberine, which stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Improved circulation ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, right? Promoting healthier and faster hair growth. Ginger also has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties that can reduce scalp infections and eliminate dandruff, which is a common factor in hair thinning. Licorice root extract is another key player. It soothes the scalp and reduces buildup, creating the perfect environment for your hair to grow. And last, to give your hair and scalp that extra boost, we've added vitamin C and vitamin A. These antioxidants help fight free radicals and support collagen production, which is essential for healthy, resilient hair. I've been using this serum consistently, and let me tell you, the difference is real. My hair feels healthier, a lot fuller, and there's much less shedding. Check out all these baby hairs. And it's really easy to use. Just a few drops massaged into your scalp daily and you're good to go. I generally put it on a couple hours before I shower. So if you want to give your hair growth a boost, grab your bottle of the Phyto Hair Growth Serum at the link below, or scan this code right here. Back to natural DHT blocking supplements. Number 3 is green tea. The active compound EGCG inhibits 5-alpha reductase and reduces DHT production, and green tea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties improve scalp health and reduce oxidative stress on hair follicles, all of which is very beneficial for the health of our hair, right? Oral consumption of green tea, meaning drinking green tea or taking green tea supplements, can offer systemic benefits, but the concentration of catechins may not be sufficient for significant DHT reduction in the scalp. But since green tea has so many health benefits, I drink it daily. And I also supplement with green tea extract daily. Regular green tea consumption is linked to improved heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and improving blood vessel function, all of which reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, green tea supports weight management by enhancing metabolism and promoting fat oxidation, making it a popular choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy body weight. And last but not least, at number 4, we have reishi mushroom. Reishi mushroom, or Ganoderma lucidum, is a well-known adaptogenic fungus with a variety of health benefits, including its potential to reduce DHT levels, making it an intriguing natural option for addressing hair loss. Reishi contains bioactive compounds like triterpenes and polysaccharides that are believed to inhibit the activity of 5-alpha reductase. By reducing DHT levels, reishi may help prevent the miniaturization of hair follicles, which we know is one of the key factors in androgenetic alopecia, or pattern baldness. Research also suggests that reishi's DHT blocking properties might work synergistically with its anti-inflammatory effects, creating an environment conducive to healthier hair follicles and potential regrowth. And beyond its effects on DHT, reishi mushroom provides additional benefits that support scalp and hair health. For example, its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation in the scalp, 2 factors that can make hair loss a lot worse. Reishi also supports overall hormonal balance, which can indirectly improve hair health by reducing stress-related or hormonal shedding. It's available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and extracts, and can be used alongside other DHT blocking remedies for enhanced effects. I just made an entire video about reishi mushroom, so check it out. And that's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I do my best to respond to everyone, and see you next time. Take care.